Hello! We will learn and practice the numbers from 1 to 9 together. We will use an animal each time to help us remember the number. Are you ready? Let's go! We'll start with the number 1. The number 1 is very important because it shows us that there is something. Look, here is a cat. A cat has a head, a body, and a tail. But how many cats do we have here? That's right, only one. Say with me, one cat. Now we come to number 2. Look, here's a giraffe. A giraffe has a long neck and long legs. But how many giraffes do we have here? Correct, 2. Say with me, 2 giraffes. Moving on to number 3. Look, here's a goose. A goose has a long neck and wings. How many geese do we have here? Yes, 3. Say with me, 3 geese. Now we come to number 4. Look, here's a sheep. A sheep has fluffy fur and 4 legs. How many sheep do we have here? That's right, 4. Say with me, 4 sheep. Continuing with the number 5. Look, here's a cow. A cow has a long udder and horns. How many cows do we have here? That's right, 5. Say with me, 5 cows. Now we come to number 6. Look, here's an elephant. An elephant has a long trunk and big ears. How many elephants do we have here? That's right, 6. Say with me, 6 elephants. Moving on to number 7. Look, here's a lion. A lion has a mane and sharp teeth. How many lions do we have here? Yes, 7. Say with me, 7 lions. Now we come to number 8. Look, here's a horse. A horse has 4 legs and a long mane. How many horses do we have here? That's right, 8. Say with me, 8 horses. Finally, we come to number 9. Look, here's a pig. A pig has a round nose and a curled tail. How many pigs do we have here? That's right, 9. Say with me, 9 pigs. Great job! We've now learned the numbers from 1 to 9 with the help of our animal friends. But we want some more practice, don't we? Let's do it together. I'm going to say a number and you have to name the corresponding animal with me. Are you ready? Let's go! 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 Thanks for learning numbers with me. Hope to see you again. Goodbye. Hello! Let's learn together the numbers from 1 to 100. Are you ready to count along? Let's start with the basics. 1 2 3 Now repeat with me. 1 2 3 Good job! Now let's move on to bigger numbers. 4 5 6 7 8 9 Now repeat with me. 4 5 6 7 8 9 Great! You guys are doing great so far. Let's count to 20 now. 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 Now repeat with me. 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 Wow, you guys are doing fantastic. Let's continue with some bigger numbers. 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 Now repeat with me. 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 Very good! Now we're going to learn some more numbers. 40 50 60 70 Now repeat with me. 40 50 60 70 80 90 100 Now repeat with me. 80 90 100. Great job! You have learned how to count from 1 to 100. Now let's do a little test to test your knowledge. I will say a number and you can repeat after me. I'll say 40. Now you say 40. Five, you say now. Wonderful. 9, you say now. Nice. 20, you say now. Wonderful. 100, you say now. Wonderful. 15, you say now. Nice. 11, you say now. Good job. What number is this? 1. What number is this? 7. What number is this? 2. What number is this? 25. What number is this? 70. What number is this? 30. You are great. You learned how to count to 100. I hope you enjoyed learning with me. See you next time.